Thanks for watching today. My name is Attorney Matthew DeRocha, and I'm a licensed attorney in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. I want to talk to you today about the IRS Offer and Compromise program that is available to all delinquent taxpayers. First off, this program is the exact one that is currently being advertised heavily online and on television. These ads are everywhere. They say something like this: do you owe more than $10,000 to the IRS? We can help. This type of advertisement is a legitimate program offered to taxpayers. Oftentimes these companies that do this advertisement are not legit, but the programs they offer are. These companies will accept any client whatsoever, regardless of whether you actually qualify for the program. Some people will qualify and some will not. It is important to know if you even qualify at all. I can help you with that. I have settled over $1 million of IRS liabilities over the past 15 years, and I only take cases where I think I can be successful. I bring a unique perspective to these types of cases because of the bankruptcy work that I do. I file close to 100 bankruptcy cases per year, and many of those include money owed to the IRS. Here are a few factors that the IRS will look at when deciding to accept your offer. The first factor is the statute of limitations on the debt. The IRS has 10 years to collect. That will usually start and stop several times during the life of the liability. Generally, it starts at the time the return is actually filed. The reason why this is important is because old liability is less likely to be collected than new liability. Second factor, assets of the taxpayer. What assets can the IRS seize in order to satisfy their balance? Cars, boats, cash, inheritance, real estate are all looked at. It's my job to make sure that those assets are protected before you file your offer. Also, the amount of your offer must be at least the amount of the assets that you have. So if your assets total $20,000, your minimum offer must be at least $20,000. The third factor, monthly income versus monthly expenses. Remember that the IRS has 10 years to collect on the debt. So if you have positive cash flow each month of $500, the IRS will want that extra $500 per month until the statute of limitations is run out. Again, this relates back to the first factor, the statute of limitations, and why that's so important. Fourth factor is dischargeability. Is the liability dischargeable in a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy case? If it is dischargeable and the IRS is aware of that, then they are more likely to accept your offer and compromise. There are many other factors that contribute to the outcome of your offer, including divorce, illness, tax evasion, and even your age. Now, there are some other items that are required for approval. You must be current on all tax returns. That means all your returns must be filed. Number two, you must stay current with all your quarterly payments for the years that your offer is submitted and reviewed. So for self-employed people, it's pretty important. You must also file all your tax returns on time and pay in full all liabilities for the next 5 years. If you violate any of these terms, your offer is void and the debt comes back to you 100%. If you want a free, in-depth analysis of your tax issues, please contact me below. Visit my website. Happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching.